Hello everyone, Papa Blue Shirt. Look like I've been beat up, don't I? They did a face plant up there yesterday. Went off the edge of the trail. The bike handled different because I had an extra battery in the back and I was out of battery at the time. I was trying to pedal up a hill and got off on the side there, the leaves, and down I went. And where I fell, it was so deep I couldn't get back up there, so I had to walk down. Walk down a hill and come back up the other side, and but I made it.
He made it.
Hurt my hands, hurt both of my wrists, and as you see, I messed up my face.
We're too old for this.
But and I scraped up my knee and bruises and contusions, and but guess what? We're going out again today.
You know that old saying, if you fall off a horse, get back on.
Get back on it. So that's what I'm going to do today.
Yep.
I do feel a little apprehensive going down there again because my wrist really hurts, so I can hardly squeeze. But hopefully things will be all right. We'll do a little investigating. If nothing else, I'll just ride the smooth trail.
Yeah.
And just to say that I went back and did it again.
Yeah.
But I did want to go back to the scene of the crime and take pictures of it. When I went over the edge there, it was all my adrenaline took over, and I just wanted to get out of there. I didn't think about taking pictures or anything at the time. In fact, I thought I lost my teeth in the front. I mean, I just hit smack right on my face, and it turned my handlebars all the way around. And yeah, needless to say, I'm gonna be a little bit more on the ball, maybe, hopefully.
Hopefully you'll be careful, more careful.
But we're going. We got Abby in the back there, sitting on a
Hi, Abby.
Sitting on a pillow. Here's daughter Blue Shirt who don't have a blue shirt on.
That's okay.
Alrighty, let's head up there. Well, we're up at LBL, and I decided to do the north-south trail. So we'll see how that goes. It's the 31 miles from here to the Golden Pond. And I've never done it before, and hopefully it's not too hard for me. It's not supposed to be, so hopefully I can handle it today after my spill yesterday. Alrighty. Okay, Tommy.
How you doing?
Yeah, he follows me on YouTube, and he saw me out here, and
I can play that game too. There we go. We're not famous yet, but we're working on it. Good meeting you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like both our videos. Sir.
Yeah. Well, I guess you could say I'm kind of famous now. I wondered if anybody would ever see me out on the trail here and say, hey, I know you. And sure enough. And he come up to me and said that he follows me on YouTube. So that was kind of neat. Anyways, keep going here. at Night Rider Spring. It's B, and it's saying I got 25.9 miles left. So far the trail's pretty rough, but we'll see how it goes. I don't have to worry about going in too fast because it's pretty slow going. Alrighty. I wish they'd mark these trails a little better. I think this is the way I go though. Find out here. Well, I'm down here by the lake. Still can't find the stupid trail. Need to mark these things better. Riding around in the woods. Well, I found the trail again. Basically, it runs right along the lake here, so you can just head down toward the lake and you'll find it again. Wish they would mark things better. I think people come down through there, they take a different route every time, so the trail wasn't very worn. So I'll continue on here. Well, I wanted to document a bike just turned over 900 miles. I'm out here at LBL doing the north-south trail. A lot more bumpy than I thought it'd be, but I've come about 6 miles so far. I got 31 mile total, so 25 more to go. Alrighty. One of the many bridges that run through here. Looks like they need to do some maintenance here. Don't think they're doing a whole lot of maintenance here lately. All right, I'm at Ferry's Landing. 22.8 miles yet. Wow, seems like a long ways. I've come 7. Some of the stuff I had to deal with here. Deep water here. So I'm gonna try to walk down here, go up this way. Here's what some of the trail looks like. All muddy. Yeah, that's pretty rough. Whoever said that this was a flat trail is nuts. Nowhere near flat. Up and down ridges and hills and all kinds of stuff. Over creeks and through over down trees, and yeah, probably not the trail I should have done right after I did a face plant, but we'll keep trucking on. I'm at 10.5 miles. Well, I'm at road 309, wherever that's at. And this print on this stuff is so small I can't even see where I'm at. Let me get my glasses out. Maybe I can see. Well, I just ate some lunch. And looked like I went about 11 miles. And I'm at road 309. And we're at crosses here. So I'm gonna get back on the trail. Well, here's where I'm at. I'm at Hatchery Hollow. And it's 18.3 miles yet. Wow. That squirrel just took off. Jumped from the top of a tree. Anyways. Token Trail Springs is 2.7 miles, so that's my next stop. Okay, going here. One of the many stream crossings back there that I had to do. I decided to hop off the trail here because I don't want to be in the dark. It's scary enough going through there with can't find the trail after dark. I'm gonna head out to the road. I just come up a hill back there. I should have stopped earlier so you could see. But let me take it back there. There, that hill, barely make it up. I've already come about 2 miles on this road. And it's just so hilly. Maybe I didn't make the right choice. Okay, I made it. I'm at road 140. Finally, I'm gonna head back on the trace and get back up there for dark. This looks like the place I went off. Right down in there. I don't see my mirror nowhere though. Right down in there I did a face plant. And I had to climb up this hill over here. Wow. It's not even a bad area. Just get over here too far and you're gone. Well, I made it here. Had to change my battery. I changed my battery when I was 18, so it was like 28 miles, 27 miles. And yeah, I went through some stuff. Anyways, I made it here at the Fenton. I got back on the Harbor Trail and go over by Golden Pond and by the planetarium. And then I rode to where I smashed my face yesterday. Took pictures of it and headed here. And so now I'm gonna go home. That was a trail. That was a trail. You know, that was like the canal loop, except it was like 3 times longer. It was rough. Kept losing the trail and didn't have them marked good enough, and yeah, it was rough. Anyways, I'll stop this so I can get in the car. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's a house.
You can feel the heat all over here.
Ooh, yeah.
Woo.